Trader Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today is Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. We're going to get things moving really quickly. I'm going to do a quick video today, but before I jump into that quick video, definitely thank you for stopping by. Do me a solid thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are just regarding the video, just regarding the stocks that I'm going to analyze today, as well as your views on the overall market. So essentially how you're dealing with COVID, right? This is what, week 3, I believe, that we are in quote-unquote shelter in place or lockdown. Anyway, let me know how you're dealing with things. Anyway, again, let's start jumping really quickly with a recap of the overall markets right now. What you're looking at is the S&P 500, the SPY. It's a daily chart. I just want to really focus in on price action since the collapse in around mid-February. So yes, full disclaimer, full disclosure, I did say that I was short the market. Obviously, with the market continuously trending up since bottoming, and I'm going to say quote-unquote, maybe it's not the bottom, maybe it is, we don't know. Since the SPY hit a low of 218.26 back on March 23rd. It's done nothing but bounce. So I think sitting here at 283.80, right? We've taken quite a trip in a very short period of time. We've taken quite a trip. I want to say we're up probably, do the math. I didn't do the math, but we're definitely up over 20%, maybe bordering or closer to 30%. So definitely market seems to be on fire. Those naysayers like myself talking about, the economy is fundamentally broken and therefore that should be reflected in the market. Aha, the market said, actually, no, I function on my own. So definitely had to get back to that script and sort of restructure the way that I was looking at things and the trades that I was taking. Anyway, so sitting here at 283.80, we're kind of running into resistance. I feel like more than likely we're going to clear that, and the next stop that I'm looking at right here is this 200-day moving average of around $300. Again, this is the 200 on the daily chart. About 300. If we clear 280 to 285, which we seem to be doing quite well, I can see us definitely taking a relatively easy trip to that 300 level. Gonna finagle my short a little bit, but for right now I'm getting a little bit burnt here. All right, what else do we have? All right, so let's follow up on ticker WORK. We're off tremendously on the day. We're off about 30%. I'm not quite sure what's going on in after hours. We closed at 837. I did a video yesterday indicating that this stock actually had the potential to get to around $20 based on what I was seeing yesterday. Again, yesterday the stock was up over 400%. I think it was down slightly in after hours yesterday. But then I drew this line here. I didn't move it. And I said kind of over under if we can remain above that line. I think that was around, let's say 11 to 11.50. I said that that was bullish. Anything below that was bearish. We opened up, and I've spoken about close and open, right? If we open up below a previous day close, especially with these sort of fast and high runners, chances are the stock is going to pull back that day, and that's exactly what happened. So heading into tomorrow, you're wondering, well, is the sell-off over? Will it resume its uptrend? Does it have more run left in it? I would say that you definitely want to pay attention to the low here of around $8.30. It looks like we are trading relatively close to session lows of $8.09. So I'd be paying attention to that area, 809 to 830. If we take out today's low of 809, more than likely we're going to drift a little bit further. Do take note that there's a gap here to be filled right here at $2.32, and gaps more often than not generally gets filled. I'm not saying that's going to happen tomorrow, but definitely that 232 gap more than likely will get filled. So if you're long, remain cautious. What else? All right, so let's wrap it up with ticker WMT Walmart. This is a daily chart dating back to around April of 2017, but I definitely want to focus in on price action here. And I talk a lot about hedges. I'm going to try to link that article in where I talk about in blog form why I hedge, how I hedge, importance of hedging, etc. And so again, given a lot of what's going on in the market, and yes, I did say that we were short the market in the premium member community, getting burned on this short, but we did really well when we shorted initially back in, I want to say, early to mid-January. We saw the market collapse. Obviously, you were there. We put on another short, added to our short, and right now we're down on that one. But recognizing that there's still opportunities on the long side in the market, right? You just don't want to be you just don't want to have always tunnel vision. Yes, while I am not the most optimistic on the economy in the shorter term because of the fact that absolutely nothing is up and running. We're all sheltered in place, right? We have that picture. I'm still looking for opportunities on both the long and the short side in the market, and Walmart and some other defensive stocks caught my attention, or some stocks that I think could benefit, and I hate to use that word, but some other stocks that I believe could benefit from folks being sheltered in place, right? And you might know of some, Walmart, Amazon, etc. And so recognizing that, also recognizing that the chart from a technical perspective looks like it's breaking out, I advise premium members of this particular trade, and sitting here at 129, it is actually performing very nicely. In profit almost immediately. I want to say right away when we put the trade on, the trade was in profit immediately, which is usually a clear sign that you are in at a decent price. Today we saw a high of 129.79. Effectively, Walmart is trading at, in my opinion, or not even my opinion, I believe at all-time highs. It's not my opinion, just based on the chart. Again, going as high as 129.79 today. Walmart is trading at all-time highs. We pulled back slightly again to close at 129. As long as we can stay above, in my opinion, that 115 area, as long as we can stay above there, if this market continues to trend up, I can see Walmart at some point perhaps trading north of 150. That's a potential upside of 21 more points, or 20 points or so, meaning $20 per share. So in my opinion, Walmart still a decent long. Just wanted to throw that idea out there for anyone that's looking for a trade idea. Take a look at it. It might be something that fits your portfolio, and it's not like one of these volatile penny stock. I mean, Walmart, it's been around for a while, so it might actually be a stock that you may want to hold longer term in a retirement or a longer term portfolio. Again, just wanted to throw that trade idea out there. And full disclaimer, full disclosure, this was a trade that we took in the premium member community, trying to be relatively transparent. Okay, so we're gonna cap it there. Tina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of that video, do 3 things for me. 1, again, comment in the comment section. What do you think about my analysis with the SPY? Am I silly for shorting the market? Like, what's your thoughts? What about ticker WRK? Did you get caught in the downturn today? It's off about 30%. What about Walmart? Do you agree with my bullish thesis? What about some other stocks you think that might benefit out of... Again, hate to use that word, but what are some other companies that you think might actually benefit from folks staying at home? Again, try to think of these sorts of things to give yourself trade ideas. Again, comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Number 2, we're on number 2 now. Number 2, I do videos every single day. Make sure you are subscribed at our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And the last thing, 3rd, right now what I'm doing on our website is we're hosting a free 14-day trading course, right? Essentially discussing a lot of the things that I've learned trading the stock market for the last 20 years. Again, trading the stock market is not easy, right? I think oftentimes buying and holding is a very less stressful strategy than actively trading. But there's some folks just like myself who love to actively trade and can do it with a level of success. So to sort of shorten that learning curve for you, and I've learned a lot, again, trading for close to 20 years, we're hosting that free 14-day trading course. Again, no credit card required, just an email address so we can know where to send the lessons to. If that is something that you are interested in, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I will talk to you tomorrow. Stay safe.